because I'm going to get my words wrong. Well, who are we? Silent Ears?
Well, she's a Dolly Parrott, Yachtmaster offshore graduate.
Queensway Key Marina, Queensway Key Marina, this is Silent Ears, Silent Ears.
Over.
Shut up. Rude.
Calling Queensway Marinas, Queensway Key Marina. Please change to channel 68, channel 68.
6-8.
This is Queensway Key Marina. Go ahead, please.
Queensway Key Marina, this is Silent Ears. Are we clear to leave the marina? Over.
Yes, Silent Ears. There is one vessel from the small boat just going out, but you should be clear by the time you get out.
No worries, thank you so much. Standing by, channel 71.
Queensway Key Marina on channel 71.